Hi everyone, Stephen Downs here, introducing you to Grasshopper. In this short video, we'll look at how to set up the page templates. So when we left off installing Grasshopper, we had a home page which we created in the previous video, and here it is. And we used a blank header and footer because we didn't know what else to do. So in this video, we're going to actually create a header and footer for this. So what we want to do is, and I'll just revert that. Okay, so what we want to do is, if we haven't already, click on this barrel. It's a data indicator, and this is our first use of the side menu here. There's 4 tabs at the top: read, make, find, listen, and list, I guess, is the 5th. We're interested in the make tag right now. The make tag is the tag that allows us to list items in the database or make new items in the database. There are all kinds of different items in the database. Here they are, and as you can see, there's a whole pile of them there. Probably for the newer versions of Grasshopper, I'm going to shorten this list, and then you can add more as you want later on. But for now, we've got quite a bit because, you know, we're still 0.9 whatever version. We're still messing around with things. Anyhow, we're interested in templates, so we're going to scroll down, and here we have the template data type, and we list all the templates. These are all the different templates. There's the blank template that we made before, and you can see here's page header, page footer, etc. But we're going to create a new template for our fallacies website. I'm going to call it fallacies head. So I'm going to click make, and then instead of list, I'm going to type or click new template. Let's move this out of the way so you can see it. New template. And that opens up my template editing screen. Now, it's not what you see is what you get. Again, it's for a page. A page is a framework that contains things. This is very simple. We have the title, which, as I said, is fallacies head. Fallacies head. And then in the description, we can do a lot of the same stuff that we did in page code, we can do here. So for example, I can put in the page title. Now, what's kind of neat about this is for different pages, it'll be different titles, right? But I use the same template. So this template adjusts itself according to the page. So there's the page title. I'll put a HR underneath, horizontal roll, so that'll be a line so that we can see that we did that. Now I'm going to go back to the page, and I'm finished editing. You notice I don't need to save or anything, it saves automatically. So list page, or I can just click on this and we'll edit the home page here again. So here's the home page now. The header was blank. I'm going to change that to fallacies head. One day I'll have a nifty drop down there, and so you don't have to type in the name of the template. If you create a template, it'll be available. Anyhow, so now I've created or put in the name of the template. I'm done. Let's have a look. So I'll click preview. Let's see what it looks like. You see the name, the home page is up at the top there. And then this is the page that I had created before. Not bad, eh? So remember, this is the name of the page, not the name of the website. It's kind of backwards from the way we want it, isn't it? So let's clean up our template a little bit. So oops, that's not where I wanted to be. That's a totally different screen. All right, so let's go back. We'll go back to our page. So here's our page. So really we don't want any of this in here. So now we have, the actual page. And now we'll go to the template. So I'll make list template just like before. And fallacies head. So here's the information that we got from before. Now, in a web page, you typically have HTML, and then you have the head, and then the end of the head, and then the body, and then the end of the body. Now, a lot of other, and then close HTML, a lot of other content tools don't give you access to the head, but I do, because there's a lot of stuff that we want to put in the head to give ourselves various functionality. Over time, a lot of these will be predefined templates that you can just use. You won't need to write these, but for now, we're just seeing how to create one. So in the head, we can create this, a title element with the site name, right? And then I like to use the little tildes, and then the page title. So that'll show up as the head. And that's always useful. And now here, we're going to have, we get rid of the HR. We'll have the site name, very big, and then we'll have H2 will be the page title. Close H2. And then the page description, which we'll put in as paragraph. And now we have our new header defined. Let's put, we don't want the body in HTML closing here in the head, do we? No, we don't. So let's get rid of that. We don't really want the page description in the head. So we'll just put an HR here. So that'll just indicate for us where the header ends. Okay. Now let's make a fallacies foot as well. So we'll make a new template, fallacies foot. Right. And so let's put our footer stuff there. Probably don't need that, but we need to close. Oh, but maybe let's put an HR and created by STCREA, which is the creator. And let's put some copyright information. ST copy, and let's put YEAR here, and that should show us the year, and that'll update, so I don't have to go through updating all of my stuff. And you might ask, how did I know that this year thing works? Well, let's go back to the page, list page. Oh, wait, no, we'll go here like this to the home page. Okay, and if we look in the code, it's going to tell us that there are other things that we can put in. Oh, I don't have year in there. Well, year is one of the things you can put in there, and it'll show the year. At least that's the way it used to work. We'll find out now if it does work that way. If so, I'll update the help page. So, all right, so we've got our template all set. Let's check it out. We'll do a preview here. View page and preview window. Oh, I forgot to put here, sorry, here, fallacies foot. Okay, now let's try that. I'll just reload this. Right, so created by Stephen Downs, copyright 2022. So it does work, so I should put that in the help, which I will, and it'll be available in the help whenever you go to use this sometime in the future. So here we are. We've got our new home page, and I'll just publish that. There we go. And now we've got our home page with a template, the content in the middle, and then the footer. That's it. That's templates. And I'll see you in the next video when we try to upload some files.